Hi, I'm Chef Lisa Books Williams of ThriveHolistic.com in Pleasanton, California, and I'm here to show you how to make easy cream cheese appetizer recipes. Now, people traditionally use the dairy cream cheese, but I'm going to show you how to make a cream cheese that's dairy-free using fresh coconuts and cashews. This recipe also has 0 cholesterol and is lactose-free. So here's what you'll need to get started with this unique recipe. You'll need a blender, a spatula, and these ingredients. You'll need a 1/2 cup of fresh coconut meat, a 1/2 cup of coconut water. You'll also need 1 cup of raw cashews that you've soaked in water for an hour and then drained. You'll also need the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of cacao butter that you've melted, 1 tablespoon of water, and these seasonings: 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 garlic clove, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. Your final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of non-GMO soy lecithin granules, and you'll use this as an emulsifier. This is an optional ingredient, but using it will give you a better consistency on your cream cheese. Next, we're going to liquefy our coconut meat in our liquids: our coconut water, our lemon juice, our water, our garlic, and our seasonings. Now we're ready to add our non-GMO soy lecithin and our soaked cashews. Now you want to blend until smooth and creamy. Now we're going to turn the blender on very low to create a little whirlpool within the cream cheese, and we're going to slowly drizzle in the cacao butter until all is incorporated. You see, I'm doing this in a very slow and steady stream. Once it's all been incorporated, you want to put the lid back on the blender and increase the speed of the blender to allow it to blend for about 30 seconds. Your cream cheese is now ready to use as a dip, but I recommend chilling for 8 hours or overnight to use as a spread on bagels or crackers, or on vegetables such as celery, cherry tomatoes, or dates. And as a bonus, I like to use a little bit of fresh za'atar on top. This is delicious. This is Chef Lisa Books Williams wishing you many blessings and joyful eating.